best reggae ever hear, you man. Me feel a cool breeze blow, carry peace below. Me close me eyes and pray, Jah guide me way. Every breath a gift again, wash away the pain. Me see the people run for fame, forget Jah name. Me move slow, me stay wise, under Jah skies. Healing wine through town, calm the frown. Spirit rise and soul repair, love everywhere. Me chant down the fear, bring Jah near. Them build walls but Jah tear down, crown to crown. Every whisper bring up new to me and you. Healing wine so pure, make me sure it's a healing wine. Blow through the nation, bring Jah vibration. Healing wine, cleanse the soul, make the broken whole. Me see the mother pray for son, battle done. Me hear the elder sing again, free from pain. Every sound a healing grace, from Jah place. One carry love so deep, never sleep. Me walk through the market lane, hear refrain. People smile through struggle long, sing Jah song. Healing wine cool every fight, turn wrong to right. Love move like wave at sea, set we free. Me feel the spirit dance, give life a chance. When breeze pass me face, me feel Jah grace. No storm too great fi win, when love within. Healing wine, blow through the nation, bring Jah vibration. Healing wine, cleanse the soul, make the broken whole. Healing wine, soothe the cry, lift we high. Blow strong, blow kind, free the mind. So when night grow cold again, me feel the wind explain. Jah live in every breeze, bring we peace.
and me feel the mercy. Jah guide me hot, pure and early.
Here goes meditation, your man. Far beyond the sea of night, city glow with holy light. Walls of fire, gates of gold, city story never told. Every street a shining song, city where we all belong. Babylon shadows fade away, city dawn a brighter day. River flow through crystal stone, city where just sit alone. Trumpet sound and voices sing, city crown the righteous king. Every tear wiped from the face, city shine with endless grace. No corruption, no more war, city open wide the door. Prophets walk upon the ground, city filled with holy song. Angels gather hand in hand, city bless the promised land. Darkness gone, the night is past, city light will always last. Every nation bow and see, city stand in victory. Even sun no need to rise, city glow before our eyes. Moon no shine, the stars no burn, city light at every turn. Everlasting, pure and strong, city sing the Zion song. Babylon crumble, kingdoms fall, city of flame outshine them all. Generations lift the voice, city of flame make rejoice. Everlasting fire bright, city shine the holy light. Never fading, never gone, city flame still burning on. Glorious dwelling, pure and free, city shine eternity. Shine, shine, holy flame, city glorify your name. Burn, burn, bright and high, city like the endless sky. City of eternal flame, pure and strong, guide the people all along. Never ending, never fall, city of Zion, bless us all. For the glowing, bold and bright, city burn with your light. Ay, ay, ay. Rastaman is I, and meditate your man. Hear the sound across the plain, drum of freedom break the chain. Every beat a of justice stand for all. Babylon tremble, fear arise. Drum of freedom fill the skies. Every rhythm bold and true. Drum of Zion for me and you. Warrior lift the sacred hand. Drum of freedom shake the land. Every strike a righteous flame. Drum of mercy call your name. Chains them shatter, walls them fall. Drum of truth surround us all. Even I cannot restrain. Drum of freedom still remain. Elder beat the timeless song. Drum of freedom keep them strong. Generations dance around. Drum of love shake the ground. Every heart did match the sound. Drum of peace is where we bound. Voices lift in unity. Drum of Zion victory. Soldier drop the gun of war. Drum of freedom heal the scar. Every wound begin to mend. Drum of mercy is the friend. Babylon fortress start to shake. Drum of truth no chain can break. Every beat a holy fire. Drum of freedom lift us higher. Morning come the song still play. Drum of freedom light the way. No more sorrow, no more fight. Drum of justice shine the light. Every nation hear the call. Drum of love embrace us all. Even silence bow to sound. Drum of Zion shake the ground. Children dance the future bright. Drum of freedom guide the night. Teachers sing, the student learn. Drum of wisdom still return. Never fading, never gone. Drum of truth keep beating on. Sacred rhythm pure and free. Drum of peace eternity. From creation till today, drum of freedom never sway. Glorious sound forever new. Drum of Zion shining through every hand and every heart. Drum of justice play its part. Everlasting, strong and pure. Drum of mercy will endure. Beat loud and long. Drum of freedom keep we strong. Rise, a voice of flame. Drum of truth exalt your name. Drum of freedom strong and true. Beat forever for me and you. Never fading, never still. Drum of justice show your will. Forever sounding bold and high. Drum of Zion shake the sky. Sacred heartbeat pure and free. Drum of peace eternity.
Lantern blaze with fireball. Every flame a holy sign. Lantern shine the truth divine. Guide the step through narrow way. Lantern turn the night to day. Every shadow start to flee. Lantern glow eternally. War with steady hand. Lantern light the troubled land. Every street once filled with fear. Lantern bring the blessing near. No corruption dim the flame. Lantern glorify your name. Even when the world is blind, lantern keep the righteous mind. Bada ring, 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 bada ring. Ma bada, bada ring, bada ring, bada ring. Teach a hold it high and clear. Lantern show the path sincere. Every seeker find the road. Lantern help to lift the load. Babylon wall begin to fall. Lantern justice shine for all. Every flame a guiding word. Lantern truth must be heard. Even storm cannot put out. Lantern shine, remove the doubt. Glorious light across the plain. Lantern break the wicked chain. Generations side by side. Lantern where we all confide. Every glow a righteous fire. Lantern lift the spirit higher. From the elder to the youth, lantern shine the way of truth. Everlasting, bold and pure. Lantern flame shall still endure. Every corner, every street. Lantern make the darkness beat. Light eternal, strong and free. Lantern glow for victory. Shine, shine, holy flame. Lantern glorify your name. Rise, rise, never cease. Lantern shine the word of peace. Lantern of justice bright and pure. Guide the people safe and sure. Never fading, never fall. Lantern shine for one and all. Forever glowing, strong and true. Lantern light for me and you. Berlin, 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 Berlin. God bless the people and the ganja, yeah man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ay 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 ay. Ay 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 ay. When the moonlight kissed the hill, heart of the drum begin to fill. Every echo call the name of spirit rising through the flame. Hands upon the skin so tight, beat of life in July. Every rhythm ancient born, heart of the drum greet the dawn. Elder smile his eyes so deep, heart of the drum no fall asleep. Every strike a story tell of heaven, earth and holy shell. Babylon build wall of sound, heart of drum still shake the ground. Every beat a call to peace, heart of unity never cease. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Use them gather, chant and sing. Heart of the drum make circle ring. Fire blaze and star them glow. Heart of the drum make river flow. Every soul come join the call. Heart of the drum embrace them all. From the mountains to the sea, drum beat hum eternity. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
herbs in hand. Heart of drum, bless the land. Every rhythm heal the pain. Heart of drum, restore again. No division, no more fight. Heart of drum, bring holy light. In the sound of thunder roll, drum reveal the inner soul. When the sunrise kiss the plain, heart of the drum remain. Every echo pure and true. Drum of Zion beat for you. Never fade and never still. Heart of drum obey Jah will. Generation rise as one. Heart of drum will carry on. Beat, beat, heart of fire. Lift the soul, lift it higher. Drum of mercy, loud and clear. Call the people, conquer fear. Heart of the drum, strong and free. Beat of the world, unity. Never breaking, never done. Drum of life for everyone. Rising higher, bold and bright. Heart of drum, bring holy light. Everlasting, wild and pure. Heart of Jah will still endure.
Righteous man, rise according to Jah plan. Every note a sacred flame, every line exalt your name. In the valley, on the shore, song of Zion evermore. Carry weak, lift the strong. Righteous people sing along. Song of the righteous, pure and free. Sing it loud for you and me. No more sorrow, no more wrong. Righteous live within this song. Every child can raise a voice. Every soul can make a choice. Sing for love, sing for peace. Sing until the war shall cease. No gunshot, no wicked plan can silence song of righteous man. Through the fire, through the storm, song of Zion still perform. Carry the chant from age to age. Righteous word up on the page. When the night is cold and long, still we hear the righteous song. In the dance hall, in the street, song of Zion guide the feet. Everlasting, never fade. Song of righteous Jah made. Lift it higher, sing it clear. Righteous song for every ear. From the elder to the youth, sing the everlasting truth. Song of the righteous, pure and free. Sing it loud for you and me. No more sorrow, no more wrong. Righteous live within this song. Forevermore the chant remain. Song of righteous, break the chain.
Echoes meditation reggae. Yeah, no. Echoes meditation reggae. Beat the drum and hear the sound. Revelation shake the ground. Hidden truth begin to rise. Drum expose the Babylon lies. Every rhythm break a chain. Drum reveal the holy rain. Sound eternal, pure and strong. Drum of truth still beat along. Prophet hear the rhythm call. Drum of justice shake them all. Every beat a mighty sign. Drum reveal the word divine. Babylon fear the sacred tone. Drum declare Jah on his throne. Every echo deep and wide. Drum of Zion cannot hide. Children dance, the circle grow. Drum of truth them all will know. Elders chant and sing aloud. Drum uplift the faithful crowd. Storm may rage but still it play. Drum of truth no night can slay. Every strike a holy fire. Drum uplift the spirit higher. Even when the chains are tight, drum of truth still beat the night. Even when the world is wrong, drum of Zion keep them strong. No corruption block the tone. Drum of truth shall stand alone. Beat eternal sound of peace. Drum of mercy never cease. Generation hear the beat. Drum of Zion never retreat. Every land and every shore. Drum of truth forevermore. Echo high and echo low. Drum of revelation flow. Everlasting, pure and free. Drum of Zion prophecy. Boom, boom, holy sound. Drum of Zion, shake the ground. Rise, rise, chant aloud. Drum of truth, uplift the crowd. Drum of revelation, bold and strong. Beat the rhythm all along. Oh, never fading, never gone. Drum of Zion, carry on. Forever sounding pure and free. Drum reveal the prophecy. Ooh. Zion reggae, yeah, man. Zion reggae, yeah, man. Me wake and feel the spirit call. No fear can make me fall. Sunrise paint the mountain gold. New story yet untold. Me lift me hands and chant me part. Carry the fire in me heart. Babylon try to cool the flame, but Jah ignite again. Them build them wall, me tear it down. Love still wear the crown. No system can suppress me song. Rasta energy strong. Me blaze the truth on every street till hate retreat. Me see the youth them searching high for reason why. Me tell them look inside your soul, Jah make you whole. Me see the elder beat the drum, remind we where we come from. Roots deep like ancient art. Fire in the heart, fire in the heart, burn bright, guide we through the night. Every spark a holy sign, love forever shine. Fire in the heart, pure flame, chant the most high name. Carry the light from start. Fire in the heart. Me no chase vanity or fame. Me live for Jah name. When the world feel cold and grey, faith still light me way. Every trial build me soul, every scar a scroll. Me trod through dark but never part. Jah keep me heart. Me see the woman wipe her tear, Jah comfort near. Me tell her sister you know alone, love build your home. Children laugh, future born, hope like morning dawn. Me hear the choir start. Fire in the heart. Me no stop, me no tire. Jah fuel the fire. From Kingston Yard to Cape Town shore, we chant forevermore. No matter the distance, no matter the fight, Rasta standing light, light, light. Fire in the heart, burn bright, guide we through the night. Every spark a holy sign, love forever shine. Fire in the heart, pure flame, chant the most high name. Carry the light from start. Fire in the heart, 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 fire in the heart. When the evening shadows fall, Jah fire bless them all. Me soul and rhythm never part. Forever fire in the heart.